Good morning, y'all. So, I've been sitting on this for a long while. Well, not really a long while. It's probably been 2 weeks, maybe. This is coffee, Coca Cola with coffee. So, let's see here, y'all. I've been kind of like, I don't know. Okay, so this is vanilla. They had different flavors. I think they had caramel, and I'm not sure what other one that they had. These are the nutrition facts. I didn't really look at this can. 70 calories for the whole can. 18 grams of sugar. And this is 12 ounces. So I guess that's not too bad. Coffee powder, carbonated water, caramel color. Yeah, so let's see, y'all. My son and I were supposed to share this. It don't smell, it just smell like Coke. It do smell like a little strong hint of coffee there. I mostly taste Coke with a hint of coffee. I probably wouldn't get this again. It's like $2 a can. They were selling them by the 4-pack as well. I think they were like $6 in Walmart for the 4-pack. And then you can tell it's got artificial sweetener in there. That's what's making it 70 calories. So you can actually taste the artificial sweetener, which is sucralose and some other type of thing I can't pronounce. It's not awful. It just tastes like Coke with a hint of coffee. And I've been seeing everybody going by looking at it with their curiosity, But also, I love Coca Cola, which is bad. This is really bad for your teeth. And, Coca Cola has been known to eat acid off of your car batteries, I heard. Clean your toilet. So, I don't know, y'all. But Coca-Cola is addicting, as you can see. So, it's not bad, y'all. Let me know if you guys tried it before. Let me know if you will try it. Like I said, they have different flavors. So, now, I will say, if it's lower than $2, so say if this was $1, I probably would get it again. So, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Take care, be safe, be well. Bye.